Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to send a collections route or a location file from the EzRoute Pro Software to your collector's iOS device. Locate the EzRoute Pro Software on your desktop and open it. Sign in with username and password. To start, you need to be in the handheld iPhone menu. To change the menu, go to File, Change Menus, select Handheld iPhone menu. The shortcut keystroke is Control button I. First, you need to establish the iPhone ID within the EzRoute. Click on Send to iPhone Remote. Select Establish iPhone ID. Shortcut keystroke is Control button W. Type in the 3-digit iOS device ID. Hit Enter. The next step is where you choose a collection route file or a location file. The most common sent file is the location route, so that's what we're going to show you. Click on the Send to iPhone Remote. Go down and select Create Collection File Route. You will be asked how many route numbers you would like to load. Type in the number from 1 to 8. Hit Enter. What route number? Type in the route number. Hit Enter. Type in scheduled date for collection. For today's date, the shortcut keystroke is /key. Hit Enter. Finally, you will be asked to confirm the information. If everything is correct, type Y for yes. Wait while the files are created. If you would need to send a file to a specific location, you would have chosen Create Collection File Location. Type in the location's number and then confirm the information by typing Y for yes. Let's continue on. Steps for Package Collections File. Go back up to Select Send to iPhone Remote. Go down and select Package Collections File or Remote Site. The WAND ID information pops up. Verify the device ID. If correct, tap on Accept. Steps for File Transfer to Remote Site. Go back to Send to iPhone Remote. Go down to and select File Transfer to Remote Site. Display File Names screen pops up. Type in a unique name file that the collector would recognize and hit OK. Hit OK on the Transfer Successful message. If you have any questions, contact Coin Connection at area code 605-371-2998. Congratulations! You have completed sending a collection route or a location file to your collector's iOS device. The collector will download the collection route or location file onto the iOS device. Collect and finalize the numbers for each location, then upload the collection file back to the office. The next step for the office personnel is to upload the collection file sent from an iOS device into the EzRoute Pro Software to report and post the data.